Hello again and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick unboxing, maybe a short review of this Ulanzi ST-03 which I just received. Let's open it up. So here it is, the Ulanzi ST-03. I got it in red. The box itself looks good. The item feels quite heavy, which is good for me, but I don't know about the rest of you. So yeah, let's have a look. Open it up. It's just a box with nothing except for the item itself. I have no idea how to work this. Okay. Okay, let's try it out with my tripod and video mic, and of course the phone. Let's try and screw this in. Next the phone. Okay, works great. Easy to mount, very sturdy, and at last the mic. Unlocking my phone. Okay, so now we can see. It works for me here at home. Oh, this tripod is horrible, isn't it? So give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, and please do subscribe as I have lots of stuff coming in, and I'll make a video of almost everything that I'll have. Alright, so see you guys. Thank you and goodbye.